Hello, my name is Javier Sanchez Martinez. In this video, I will tell a little about countries that speak English and some of their culture. Oral presentation of an Anglo-Saxon country. First, United States flag. Meaning of the flag: 13 red and with alternating horizontal straight in the canton, 58 stars on a blue background. The bar represents the original 13 colonies that became independent from the United Kingdom, and the star, the future state that might use the union. United States currency. The US dollar is the official currency of the United States, and the other countries and dependencies usually deny used by the currency is also associated with the legal circulation in the country. Typical United States food. Typical dishes of the United States: pepperoni pizza, hot dogs, hamburgers, cheese, peanut butter. Symbol of the United States: the family Statue of Liberty, considered a symbol of the United States. United States language and religion. Language: English the most widely used language in the country, and Spanish the second most widely according to the United States Census Bureau. Religion: Christianity remains the dominant faith in the America, with 7 of other Americans. Other example: Jamaica flag. Meaning of the flag of Jamaica: it's made with the color green, yellow, gold, and blood. The blood symbolizes the strength and creativity of the Jamaican people. The yellow, the sunlight and the natural will of the country. Grain represents hope for the future and agricultural wealth. Jamaican currency. They have used the Jamaican dollar as currency since 1969, replacing the Jamaican pound. Coin out 1, then 25-cent circulate of 1, 5, then and $20, and with value of 50, 100, 500, and $1 million, and used by the Bank of Jamaica. Bank of Jamaica. Typical Jamaican food. Gastronomy of Jamaica: typical dishes: cornmeal porridge, okra and coffee, egg with fish, Jamaican jerk, bammy, and fish dish. Jamaica symbol. Jamaica language and religion. Language: the first official language is English, although the most widely spoken and national language in Jamaican Plateau, with its Creole language, with an English base and sized 2000 18 Spanish, and being included under their language with official recognition. And religion, most of the Jamaican population is believer. The most with spiritual religion is Christianity, which all people would follow it. Finally, is flat Australia, flat Australia, meaning on the Australian flat. It has a blue background with simply justice, and the string led above the English flag Union Jack, recognising the fact that Australia was a British colony. Below this, a layered star representing the Australian Federation, with 7.1 represented the Federation and the remaining currency of Australia. The Australian dollar is the official currency of the Commonwealth of Australia, including the Australian Antarctic Territory, Christmas Island, Zimbabwe, the Cocos Islands, McDonald Island, and Norfolk Island, as well as independent Pacific states of Kiribati, Nauru, and Tuvalu. Typical Australian food: el tin town of flat wheat, banana bread, wheat bit, barramundi, bagel. Symbol of Australia: the coat of arms of Australia. It is the official emblem of the government of Australia. The first coat of arms was granted by King Edward VII in 1900. Other decorations in it you can see the shield on the 6th Australian state surrounded with two of the country's typical animals, the kangaroo and the emu. Australian language and religion. Language: the official language of each country is English, and though more than 200 languages are spoken. Religion: according to the last poll, the majority of the population is a believer in Australia. The majority language is Christianity. Of its population profits it. Conclusion: we can say that the country is not the language is English and that their religion is Christianity. Thank you very much. That's all.